We also hit 100 episodes on Yamcha Sessions. My god, it's about fucking time. Just if you can support Yamcha Sessions as well, man, just head on over the channel and just hit the subscribe button, like the video, you know, the whole social media jazz. Okay, love you guys. Ciao, I'm gonna edit this video and I'm gonna bed. I'm fucking tired. I know it. I know it's lockdown and all, but I feel like I've been working so much for the past few days. I haven't posted a vlog and it's been like killing me in the inside, so I'm just gonna do a half-ass vlog. Cause, okay, although it might not look super sick, but check it out, right? I knew I had a lot of work to do, and also my MacBook 15-inch is under repair, so I'm using a temporary office MacBook 13-inch. And because I edit a lot and I do a lot of spreadsheets and PowerPoints, the screen is so freaking small, so I ran over to my office. I stole 2 screens. I have to return it, but in the meantime, I have this like sick-ass setup. Okay. Oh, and this is actually my PokemonGo walker. It's not exactly the best. I don't recommend it at all. Dude, it's so shit and it's so light. Okay, it's actually stable. Oh, it works, but it doesn't really work. Okay, check it. Okay. So that's how I get my kilometers while I'm at home. But I basically did an unboxing of 2 items. One is the... Oh man. Oh man. I'm just tired, man. It's been a long week. The Keychron K6. I love it. I have a few comments about it. And also the Logitech Master MX3, which is an incredible mouse. You know why? You know what's the selling point? Right? I watched it on Unbox Therapy. The selling point is this. Check it. If you go to a really long timeline, like let's look at this timeline. It's super long, right? This allows me to travel throughout my timeline. This is a big bonus for me because I don't need to like pinch and shit and move it with the trackpad and all that. So I've been always editing with the trackpad. I've never edited with a mouse. It's my first time editing with a mouse. It's incredible. Saves so much time. Should have gotten the mouse earlier. Also, the keyboard is super fucking cool. You'll probably see in the unboxing, but just hear it. Oh god damn it. It gets pretty loud. I don't recommend it. Probably you should have gotten the softer keyboard. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I know it's been tough. And I also edited the podcast room because we're not going to be doing podcasts in this room. I don't know. So now the table is moved to the end of the wall so that I can work next to Jen. We also hit 100 episodes on Yamcha Sessions. My god, it's about fucking time. Just if you can support Yamcha Sessions as well, man, just head on over the channel and just hit the subscribe button, like the video, you know, the whole social media jazz. Okay, love you guys. Ciao, I'm gonna edit this video and I'm gonna bed. I'm fucking tired. Make sure switch pins are straight before inserting in. Please be gentle and make sure to align the pins with the socket properly. If you are a Windows user, please find the... Okay, I'm not. Oh, nice. Ooh! Wow. You pull it up. Oh. Cool. Oh, it comes with different colored switches as well. Cloth fiber. it's on the side. Oh. Ooh. Hold on, yeah. Ooh. Damn, how do you change? Oh. Wow, I'm so glad I didn't get RGB. This is pretty dope. Nice. Nice. Oh my god. Ooh. Cable. Looks cute. Let's do this. Oh my god, it's so smooth. I don't know whether you'll feel my excitement, but it's real. Excitement's real.
Who says money can't buy?
Who says money can't? Who says money can't buy happiness? Fuck the fella, okay? Something is wrong with the wiring down there, that's for sure. Oh yeah, bro. Not exactly the cleanest setup lah, but pretty damn sick. Gotta adjust the contrast in that though. Huh, don't know. Normally it's supposed to shift one. No, it just turns off. Yeah, I need to reset everything. Also, if you're planning to connect a duo to one, it doesn't work because it shows one screen double, so it doesn't make any sense. Unless like I get like a super curved screen, that'd be pretty sick. Yeah.
Huh?